Hi everyone, I'm Elena and you're watching Marvelous Designer Tool by Tool tutorial part 11. Today I'm going to talk about a useful tool which its name is Trace. Its shortcut is I, and we're going to see how it works. Its main function is to make a copy. Let's say I'm going to make a pocket which will be divided between two patterns. I'm going to place it right here between these two patterns. So what should I do? For example, I make this pocket. Okay. And I make a clone of it and I put it here. As you see, I cannot see the whole shape, this internal line shape, and the rest of it is like it has no pattern for it. There is no pattern for it. So what should I do? I should study the basics of grammar, English grammar again. There are two options. One of them is this. I can right click and add point to intersection. Where these two lines intersect, I can have a point. Then I right click on one point here. I divide this internal line and internal point, and then I have it. Yeah. Okay, since or I can make a copy of it and it's here. And then you should find a way. You always should watch your 3D, and this is kind of done. This was one way. Okay, this part is not fixed yet, but I'm going to. This lesson is about trace. The next thing is to, after adding point, you use your trace. You choose your trace tool, and then if you left click, you choose just one segment. If you hold and left click, you can have multiple selection. And then you right click. When you right click, you have these 5 options. Cut and sew, okay, you can have it also on other tools like edit pattern and transformation pattern. But traces pattern is for when you have a closed shape, and as you see, this is not a pattern. Then okay, I choose it as internal line shape or internal line. It doesn't have any main difference. Now you see I have a copy right on my main shape. Which one? Yes. Okay. Always I think you should have. In this way, if I, for example, if I cut this part, I always have the one that I traced it. I copy. Did I copy it? Okay. I trace it. Okay. Now I delete this part. Okay, I always can, since I, what do you call it? Since I divide the lines this one wasn't deleted in my example, but I think you got my point, that sometimes you need to delete the other shape so you can trace the other part. And it wasn't a good example, but I think I could give you the message. Okay. Now I try to make my pocket. For the parts that you don't know how much of the pattern it takes, you choose the incompleted ones, the ones that have no problems. You don't choose your pocket that there's a straight line with no points. Right now I select this, and my free sewing tool will tell me how much I should sew. Okay, this part is not necessary because it's a pocket. Superimpose over. And yes. That's it. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.